guys, welcome back. So today is day 4 of my 31 days of Halloween series, and today's look is Beetlejuice. Now if you don't know what Beetlejuice is, then please save me the time of explaining and Google it. And yeah, let's just get started with it quickly. It's a very easy to do look. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and yeah, let's just get on with it. And this is the final look. It's quite easy to do. You just have to create a little mess here and there. It took me a longer time to do it because I had to paint the jacket. If you have a similar jacket, then this makeup is not going to take you even half an hour to put together. So yeah, I hope you will like it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.